Hey everybody, Wes Shepherd here, and welcome back to video number 2 in this sleep mini course. And in this video, we are talking about something that is probably affecting more people in the world right now than anything else. And if you notice that I'm wearing these really cool blue blocking glasses, then I'm going to talk more about these a little bit later in the video. But this video is all about light, artificial light, and how it's negatively affecting people's sleep, and specifically the wavelength of light that is the blue wavelength of light. So let's just talk about where this comes from and why it's so bad for you. So when we were, back in the day, like hundreds of years ago, when there wasn't artificial light, when Thomas Edison hadn't invented the light bulb yet, it was just normal light. The sunlight, sun came up and went down, and people kind of just followed that with their natural cycles. But now we have access to lights at all different times of the day. And what it does is it triggers our brain things that aren't good and shouldn't be happening. So for example, when you're on your phone, or when you're on your computer, or when you're inside under bright LED lights like I have coming at me right now, what happens is it triggers to your brain that it's daytime. And it's actually scientifically proven that blue light actually triggers to your brain that it's daytime, because when you go outside during the day, the sun is actually emitting blue and yellow light, and that's why the sun, when it's up in the sky, it looks white, because blue and yellow together makes white. So what happens in the brain and in the body is that when you're seeing and getting exposed to artificial light from your phones, or from LEDs in your home, or from your computer, or from a street lamp, for example, it can be just as simple as a street lamp. What happens is it triggers to your brain, it tells you it's daytime, and then what happens from there is that because it's telling your brain it's daytime, what happens during the day is that your cortisol levels, so your stress hormone, actually goes up, and your melatonin levels get suppressed and goes down. It's scientifically proven that blue light exposure through your eyes and your skin actually suppresses melatonin production and increases cortisol levels. So that's why you may be feeling like you're really stressed out, or you are wired before you go to bed, or you just can't seem to get your mind to calm down. It's because you may be exposed to blue light or green light as well, and your cortisol levels are spiking through the roof, and you're not able to actually calm down. So now that you have been made aware of what's going on, I'm sure you've heard of blue light and blue light blocking glasses and all this stuff, digital eye strain, maybe you've heard of that as well, and its negative effects on your brain. The second thing that it actually does is it actually suppresses your mitochondrial function. So the mitochondria actually produce the energy within your cells, and what happens is the blue light actually makes them toxic and makes it so that they don't function really well. So if you're feeling really tired throughout the day, maybe like 2, 3, 4 o'clock, or you just feel like you're in a fog or something like this, you may actually be what's called blue light toxic. And this is, most people actually in today's day and age are blue light toxic. And the blue light coming in from LEDs and phones and screens that we're all on throughout the day is really making us blue light toxic, and most of us are not outside during the day when we're going to be getting a full spectrum of light. When we're inside, we're really just getting the blue light. So anyways, this is a lot of great information for you to just be aware of, but you're probably wondering right now, like, what can I actually do about this? So if you feel as though you've been experiencing some of these symptoms, you are having trouble going to sleep, you're waking up in the middle of the night, you're wired, your stress seems to be unusually high, you're feeling just like groggy and tired and like you're not at your best, it's probably because you're blue light toxic. So what can you actually do about it? That's the number one question that I get, other than just generally, how do I improve my sleep? Once I tell them, hey, you may be blue light toxic, okay, what can we do about it? There's 2 key things that you can do about it. The first is you can actually replace some of the light bulbs in your home with red light bulbs. And these are just normal red light bulbs that you can buy online. They're extremely inexpensive. I think you can get them from 1000bulbs.com, and they have these 25 watt and 60 watt light bulbs that just are normal. They plug in and they're just red. So if you went in my kitchen right now, you would actually see that we can turn off the normal lights, the incandescent lights, and turn on the red lights after sunset. So that's kind of the second question, is like, when do you want to switch over? Is once the sunset sets, you want to switch off the LED or incandescent artificial lights, and you want to turn on the red lights. So for some people, that's a great option. Other people, it's a little bit more of a chore to do that. And so they say like, hey, how can I just naturally avoid these lights, even if I can't replace my light bulbs? And that's where the blue blocking glasses come in. So as you can see, I am wearing Alchemy Sleep blue blocking glasses right now. Lots of people sell blue blocking glasses online and around at different stores. And just to give you a really simple explanation of what they are just what they sound like, which is that they have lenses which are tinted and coated in a certain color, which absorbs the blue and green wavelengths, so that when you actually put them on, you can feel the change quite a bit. The blue wavelengths don't actually enter into your eyes, which is a great thing because we want to block them after the sunset. And you actually want to block a certain spectrum of light during the day. A lot of blue blocking glasses that are out there, just like a lot of things, right? There's a whole spectrum of things, of different products and how well that they work, right? You can get a bunch of different types of foods. Some of them are conventional and some of them are organic. Like, you really want to buy the organic ones, even though they might be a little bit more expensive. It's healthier for you. It's better food. So same thing for blue blocking glasses, and I actually have a bunch of them here that I can show you. So what you're looking for with blue blocking glasses, and again, this is going to be a little bit more information than maybe you want, but you actually need to know, because if you're going to invest in a pair of blue blocking glasses so you can block the light and get better sleep, then you need to know what you're looking for in the market. So when you go out to the marketplace, what you're looking for is you're looking for glasses that can actually block wavelengths of light for nighttime up into about 540 to 560 nanometers. And that's really the top of the green light spectrum, and it definitely covers the blue light spectrum, which is great. So you're really just going to be blocking all the blue and green light, which is awesome. That's what Alchemy Sleep blue blockers do. But a lot of other glasses out there do not get that done. So let's just talk about a couple different examples that I'm aware of in the marketplace and that I've bought and tested and stuff like that. And also you want to get some that are stylish, right? So you'll actually wear them and you won't be embarrassed to wear them. So these glasses right here, as you can see, they're totally clear. You might actually just think like, oh, these are just normal glasses. And that's actually kind of the trick, because they're sold as blue light blocking glasses, and these are actually made by a company called Felix Gray. And before I really knew a whole lot about blue blocking glasses and did my own research, I was having digital eye strain and wanted just to get a pair for myself. So I said, oh, these were advertised, and I said, okay, yeah, I'll check those out. And what I noticed is that when I was wearing them, like, it almost felt like things got worse, and it almost felt like nothing was really happening. And these are marketed, to be clear, as daytime blue blocking glasses to be worn when you're looking at your screens and your computers and your phones. But I found that they really didn't help, and it actually felt like it made things worse. So I kind of raised a question mark at that point. It was kind of like, this doesn't really feel right. And so I started to do some research into the market, and I found out that the clear lenses, they really don't do much, if anything, to block the wavelengths of light that need to be blocked. So these ones, I think you can pretty much just write off. If you see any on the market that have a clear lens, I would just avoid them altogether. They're not really going to help you out very much. I've bought them. I've spent quite a bit of money on them, and they're not gonna help you out at all. You are gonna find blue blocking glasses as well with orange frames that just don't look very good as well. So these ones they're gonna do the trick. They feel great. They do a good job. but they just don't look very good. You probably wouldn't want to wear these out. You kind of look like you're going on a space mission or something like that. So I wouldn't recommend these either. What I would recommend is kind of like meeting in the middle, where you're actually getting really good glasses, and you're getting really high quality glasses, but ones that actually get the job done. So let's just go through a couple of the Alchemy Sleep blue blockers. And one thing I want to mention is that there's two different types, right? So you're going to get ones that look kind of yellow, and you're going to get ones that are orange, but they're the same exact frame. So the ones that are yellow, they don't block as much of the wavelengths of light. They block just enough so that when you're on your computer and your phone during the day, when you're working and you're in the office, it kind of lowers your immune system and doesn't spike your cortisol the entire day, and it actually makes it so you don't become blue light toxic, which is amazing. However, these don't get the job done when it comes to the blue light at night. You actually need to wear orange or red lensed glasses so that you can block the right wavelengths of light. And when you put these on, wow, like things, like you really feel like you calm down and you really mellow out. So that's what I would recommend. We sell these, and there will be a link on this page for you to purchase Alchemy Sleep blue light blocking glasses. I wear these every single day. These are top of the line blue blocking glasses, super high quality, and very stylish. So let me show you the different frames that you can get from us at alchemysleep.com. And I think you'll really like them. So I'll just show you everyone comes in the day and the night, but I'll just show you the nighttime lenses. So these right here are called the Alchemist, and they'll be linked on the page. And I think these personally are my favorites, but you know, it depends on the shape of your face. I have a bit of a narrower face, so we do have one that's for a bigger face. So these are called the Alchemist. You also have just a plain, and these are tortoise shell if you can't see them from there. These right here are just are plain. These ones are actually called Sherlock, because you're going to feel very smart that you're saving yourself from being blue light toxic. So these are just plain black, solid, bold lenses, and they're frames, and they're the same lenses as these ones. So these do get the job done. They feel great, they look great, and you're gonna love the way that they feel. Very, very high quality. And then for the more kind of stylish of you out there, or more modern, we have a clear lens as well, and these are called the Free Thinker frame. Free Thinker frame, and these are really, really cool. I really like the way that these feel, and a lot of people actually do opt to get the daytime of these as well, because they look like a really cool one that you can wear around the office and around your house and wherever you want to be. You don't want to ever wear blue light blocking glasses when you're outside in the natural light, unless it's nighttime or early in the morning when it's dark out and there's lights, artificial lights that are coming out. In that case, you do want to wear your nighttime lenses until the sun is out. So that's really a full overview of the blue blocker glasses. And what I recommend that you do is you click one of the links that are on this page, and you go ahead and take advantage of the 20% off coupon code that we're including. So these normally sell for $95 on alchemysleep.com, and you're actually going to be getting 20% off. So it's right around $20 you're going to be getting off of these glasses, which is an amazing deal, because these are the top blue blockers on the market. Trust me, I have done my research. I have looked and looked and looked. Our brand has a reputation for helping people to sleep better. So if these glasses aren't getting the job done, then sort of like, what are we doing here? But our customers seem to love them. I love them, my wife loves them. And we also, of course, on these have a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you get them and you don't like them, or you get them and you want to switch them out for another frame, you can just go ahead and let us know, and we'll either give you your money back, or we will we'll switch it out. So would highly recommend, if you're somebody who's struggling with your sleep right now and you are trying to figure out different simple ways that you can improve your sleep, getting blue light blocking glasses, I will tell you, is probably the easiest and simplest thing that you can do. You order them online at alchemysleep.com. They get shipped to your door in probably 3, 4, 5 days, depending on where you live. And then you put them on your face, and that's it after sunset. So would highly, highly recommend that you go ahead and take advantage of the 20% off discount that we have on these glasses, and you will be very, very happy that you did, and you'll definitely see that your sleep will improve as well. So thank you so much again for being part of this program. I'm so glad that you're investing this time into making your sleep a priority, and I'm really excited for you to get these glasses as well. I think you're gonna love the way that they make you feel. You kind of like calm down and just feel great when you put them on. So look forward to seeing you get those. If you have any questions about them, feel free to reach out to us, but they're pretty straightforward and simple. And if you're wanting to get them for the daytime, for your work as well during the day, so you don't feel that kind of like drag or feeling like you're rubbing your eyes or anything like that, then you can pick up one of the daytime lenses as well, and you'll be really happy that you did. I wear these ones all day while I work, and it makes it so that I really don't have to strain my eyes, and I don't get headaches anymore and stuff like that. So again, thank you so much for being part of this video, and go ahead and click the link on this page if you're interested in getting a pair of the blue blockers. And once you do that, go ahead and move into the next video. Thanks.